And it's like the world's telling me, you're broke.
As an art school grad, chances were pretty high.
Who invented art school anyway?
I know, right? Did they disappoint their parents?
Mommy, Daddy, I want to build an art school.
What?
Why? To teach kids to art.
You disgraced us. You know, Laylani, I'm struggling with my art.
Nah, you just lack inspiration.
Exactly. I feel like I need to do something different.
Well, do the catwalking business with me. We could always use a few more walkers.
I'm afraid of cats.
It's Meow or Meowver, Tommy.
Who?
I'm contractually obligated to say it's Meow or Meowver in every conversation.
You're right. It's Meow or Meowver.
You know what you should do?
Huh.
Become a barber. But for bald people.
Yeah.
We could do it tonight. So I'm like, nah, baby girl. You gotta take it easy on me. Like, I don't have the stamina like that no more. You feel me?
Exactly. My check engine light's on. And you want me to hit the racetrack.
Yeah, you want me to hit the racetrack. Right.
How's that look?
Take a little bit more at the top, Playboy.
That's all I can cut.
Nigga, take a little bit more off the top.
Phone. Tommy, I'm calling on behalf of the Alumni Association. I know you're a graduate.
Tommy died. This is his brother, Jaquan.
Handouts are always.
I need funny time. These babies for real.
This is the inspiration you seek, homie.
I'll be the judge of that, homie.
Damn, Mona Lisa. Damn.
I think the blue period art just looks better.
Nah. Then again, all the greats had a blue period. Picasso, Van Gogh, Da Vinci, even Tookie. What should I do, Tookie?
Colors don't make the man makes the colors. Look, art kid, I know you're struggling, but I think you're in a position to make the world brighter.
Deep.
Nah, you're not following me. It's not about your art or being edgy or innovative. It's about giving back. And your future depends on that.
So, what's for dinner?
Damn.
Tommy?
This is Tommy.
This is Gerald again. I'm calling on behalf of the Alumni Association. Would you like to give a donation?
One haircut.
Haircut. That sounds